Hey there and welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we have something very interesting to discuss about, which is about Bitcoin arbitrage in Nigeria. And in today's video we are going to talk about the various opportunities you can get as a Bitcoin trader in Nigeria and some of the risk factors that are also involved when you start engaging in BTC arbitrage. And before we continue, I would like to introduce myself. If you are new to my YouTube channel, my name is Basi Ejibajon. I'm a medical student in the University of Calabar, and in my channel I talk about education and entertainment in Nigeria and all over the world. That means if you love any of my content, please kindly click on the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates anytime I post a video like this, and so that you can also help me grow. And without talking much, we are going to dive straight into the purpose of today's video, which is about Bitcoin arbitrage. But before we talk about Bitcoin arbitrage, I would like to let you know what arbitrage is simply is before I'll take you to what Bitcoin is all about. So arbitrage is the practice of taking advantages of different in prices of the same assets in different markets. Now, arbitrage is simply what we do every day as a common Nigerian. No, let me just say as a common Nigerian. If I say every day, there are some people that I'm so choked that if I say common Nigerian, it's going to sound anyhow. But arbitrage is simply, let's say you want to get this pen. You want to get this pen at the first market. They're telling that this pen is 50 naira. 50 naira at the first market, and you are also a trader, in which the main purpose of you going to get this pen is so that you can also make profit. So you are going to get this pen at the first shop for 50 naira, while the second shop is selling it for you for 30 naira. That means you have done a survey of the two shops, shop A and shop B, for the same pen. The first one is selling it for you for 50 naira and the second one is selling for you for 30 naira. You will go for the one of the 30 naira so that you can make gain. So when you buy it, you can take it to your own place and sell it for 50 naira. That means you have made a gain of 20 naira. That is the same thing with what arbitrage is simply about. Arbitrage is simply the art of looking for differences in price of the same assets in different markets. And now let's talk about Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency which came into existence in 2010. I'm not going to dive into what Bitcoin is all about and how Bitcoin was found, but Bitcoin, just know that Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency which you can also participate in the trading in Nigeria. And I know you have heard about Bitcoin and about a lot of people who have made money through Bitcoin. So in Nigeria, I'm not going to bring what Bitcoin and arbitrage is. So let me join Bitcoin. We know it's a cryptocurrency, and arbitrage is simply the differences in price. So let's join it together. Bitcoin arbitrage simply means the art of sourcing for differences or price variation of BTC across various exchange platforms. So in Nigeria, we have different crypto exchanges, each with its own supply and demand dynamics. These exchanges often have variation in BTC prices due to factors like the liquidity, the trading volume, and the market sentiment. So we have different prices of Bitcoin in Nigeria. Just like I said, market here is a key word. So we have different prices of Bitcoin in Nigeria. There are some platforms you can get Bitcoin for 20 million naira. There are some platforms you can get Bitcoin for 21 million naira. So now these are the differences in price, and in my subsequent video I'm going to show you the different platforms in which you can engage in making money, at least 100,000 naira just from Bitcoin arbitrage as a Nigeria. So to perform Bitcoin arbitrage, traders often take advantage of the differences in price. Just like you will find out that this particular platform, they are selling it for 20,000 naira, and this other platform, let's use 1,000, and the other platform, they are selling for 21,000 naira. So you can see that you can involve in this trading and you make a whooping gain of 1,000 naira if Bitcoin was to be in 1,000. But let's know that Bitcoin is a million. Bitcoin I am it, a joke. So you buy Bitcoin at a lower price. You buy Bitcoin at a lower price and you sell it at another price, making a profit. So the major reason of involving in arbitrage is simply to make a profit. Now, just like I said that I'm going to enumerate some stuff here, the opportunities and the risk factors that are involved. Why Bitcoin arbitrage can be very lucrative, it is important to consider the opportunities and the risks that are involved. So in the opportunity aspect, I'm not going to waste time. In the opportunity aspect, Bitcoin arbitrage allows traders to profit from price discrepancies, you understand, the price differences, and potentially earn a profit on each trade. So the opportunities here involves that you are going to make money, that is, your money is going to be accumulating, because you are going to buy from 30 naira. Imagine buying particular 30 naira, 15 naira, you make a gain of 20 naira, you keep it somewhere, you buy another side 30 naira, sell it 15 naira. From only those two trades, you have made a gain of 40 naira. So that is the opportunities that are involved in Bitcoin arbitrage in Nigeria and for you as a Bitcoin trader. So, but there are some losses that are involved when trading arbitrage, and this includes the transaction costs, the network delays, the market volatility, and the regulatory challenges. So just like Bitcoin now, that's how you can go and buy Bitcoin at this particular platform for at a particular amount of money, and just like we say, the market changes. Before you know, the market might not favor you again, so you might make losses. That's to say that loss is also involved when you want to consider about Bitcoin arbitrage. So don't just think about the money aspect, but also know that you are going to face some losses when you start engaging in Bitcoin arbitrage. And in my next video, I'm going to show you how this various platform. I'm going to give you a platform where you can buy from at a lower price and sell it at a higher price, and you can make money. And you also need to know how to avoid these losses. Just like I've said that you might experience losses in this when you want to trade due to market changes and the regulatory challenges. So in my next video also, that's my subsequent video I will be dropping after showing the various platforms in which you can use to start involving in Bitcoin arbitrage. I'm also going to teach you the tips, so that as you know the platform, before you go into it, you are going to learn the tips on how you can avoid losses in Bitcoin arbitrage. And that is all for this video today. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the red subscribe button, share this video to your friends so that they can also come here and get value, and so that you can also help me grow. And until I see you in my next video, I really love you. Thank you.